You were not meant to carry this version of yourself into 2026. If people think you've fallen off, let them. If they think you're done, good. Because the most dangerous man is the one everyone stopped watching. Right now, you feel it. The weight of wasted time, weeks lost to comfort, nights lost to scrolling, potential buried under distraction. And the worst part isn't failure. It's knowing you could have been more. 2026 is the dividing line. You either take control or you slowly disappear into excuses. Here's how you make the greatest comeback of your life. Step 1. Disappear on purpose. Not to escape, to rebuild. For the next 90 days, you reduce your world. Cut the noise. Delete the apps that steal hours. Stop explaining your plans. Stop announcing your goals. Pick one mission, one direction, one obsession. The world doesn't need updates. They need results. Step 2. Own the first hours of the day. Your comeback is engineered before the world wakes up. Wake with intention, sunlight, water, movement. No phone, no dopamine. Attack your hardest task before distractions exist. This window rewires you from reactive to relentless. Strong men are built in silence, not chaos. Step 3. Train discomfort daily. You don't rise through comfort, you rise through controlled suffering, cold exposure, hard workouts. Focused study when your mind begs to quit. Every time you choose the harder option, you install a new identity. The man who does what others avoid. Step 4. Cut cheap dopamine, scrolling, junk entertainment, porn. These don't relax you, they weaken you. Control what you consume and you control what you crave. A man who can't control desire is already defeated. A man who can becomes dangerous. Step 5. Rebuild the body. Not for aesthetics, for presence, for confidence that doesn't need approval. Train daily. Eat like someone who respects himself. Your body is the physical proof of your discipline. Step 6. Sharpen one skill obsessively, not 10. 1. Something that compounds. Reading, writing, business, communication. Study every day. Weak men seek motivation. Strong men build leverage. Step 7. Clean your environment. Your room, your desk, your digital life. Chaos lowers standards quietly. Order raises them without effort. A disciplined space creates a disciplined mind. Step 8. Keep promises to yourself, especially the small ones. Wake when you say you will. Train when you say you will. Finish what you start. Self-respect is built in private follow-through. Step 9. Reflect nightly. Ask yourself 3 questions. What did I do right? Where did I fold? What changes tomorrow? Reflection keeps you aligned. Alignment builds momentum. Step 10. Upgrade your identity. You are not your past. You are not your wasted months. You are what you repeatedly do next. Use the pain. Use the regret. Use the anger. Not to hate yourself, but to outgrow this version completely. Comebacks don't happen because of motivation. They happen because of structure, repetition, and ruthless honesty. 2026 doesn't need a louder you. It needs a stronger one. Disappear now. Return undeniable.